Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix accepting requests problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first, go to settings and now scroll down until you find apps, and then go to apps again, and now go to Threads and then click force stop. Now go to storage and clear cache, and after that just go to the application again and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed and now you can accept requests. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.